Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of viewing your media in X. Your media represents the content you've shared and uploaded. So, let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Take a moment to launch the app and ensure you're on the home screen. Step 2. Look for the account icon in the top left corner of the app. Give it a tap to access your account settings and profile. Step 3. In your profile, you'll find a slider below your name, picture, and bio. Tap on Profile and then select Media from the slider options. By viewing your media in X, you can revisit the photos, videos, or other content you've shared with the community. It's a great way to reminisce and see how your creative journey has evolved. Remember to update and curate your media regularly to showcase your best work. X's media feature allows you to create a visually appealing profile and share your experiences with others. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to view your media in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.